How can we predict a house price knowing only its size in square feet? Today you will learn what linear regression is, how to read its slope and intercept, and how computers find the best fit line through data. Imagine we plot several sold houses. Horizontal axis is size, vertical axis is price. Each dot shows one real sale. Most dots drift upward, meaning bigger houses tend to cost more. We want a simple rule that turns size into price. So we draw a straight line through the cloud of dots. The standard equation for that line is y equals mx plus b, where x is size and y is price. M is the slope, telling how many dollars the price rises when size grows by 1 square foot. B is the intercept, the price the line would predict for a house of size 0, a starting value. Not every line fits well. A steep one overshoots small houses while a flat one underestimates big ones. To judge fit we measure residuals, the vertical gap between each dot and the line above or below it. A positive residual means the line under-predicted that house, negative means it over-predicted. We could make residuals positive and negative cancel, so we square each gap to keep them all positive. Least squares regression finds the single line that minimizes the sum of these squared residuals. Watch the line move. As it rotates, the total squared error shrinks until it reaches a clear minimum. That minimum gives the optimal slope m equals sum of x minus mean x times y minus mean y, all divided by sum of x minus mean x squared. Once m is known, the intercept b equals mean y minus m times mean x, centering the line through the data's middle. Let's plug in real numbers. Mean size 2,000 square feet. Mean price $400,000. After crunching the sums we might get m equals $100 per square foot and b equals negative 160,000. Now we can predict. A 2,200 square foot house gets price equals 100 times 2,200 minus 160,000, yielding $60,000. Linear regression draws the straight line that minimizes squared prediction errors. Its slope shows the per unit price jump. Its intercept sets the baseline. And least squares delivers the best fit. Use these steps and you can model and forecast with nothing more than a simple linear relationship. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.vercel.app.